How to fix green screen not working in Openshot. If you are trying to use green screen effects in Openshot but it's not working properly, there are some key steps to check. Start by selecting the clip with your green screen footage in the timeline. Right-click it and choose Properties. Then scroll to the chroma key settings. Make sure Enable chroma key is checked. Next, adjust the similarity, blend, and spill values to fine-tune how Openshot removes the green background. Sometimes the default settings don't match your lighting, so tweaking them helps a lot. Make sure your background clip is placed on a track below the green screen clip in the timeline. The background needs to show through once the green is removed. Use a solid color background with even lighting when filming green screen footage. Shadows or wrinkles cause the effect to break. Have you ever struggled to get a clean green screen? Share your tips or questions in the comments below. Once you nail these settings, your green screen effect will look professional. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.